We will be talking about how to download and install Eclipse IDE tool. So before that, we should know what Eclipse IDE is. So it's an integrated development environment tool used to develop Java related projects and applications. So without any further delay, let's start. You need to go to the official website of Eclipse, which is www.eclipse.org. So in that website, there is an option for more. You just need to click on that, and under option Eclipse IDE, there is a hyperlink called download. You need to click on download. Once the new page is opened, on the left hand side you can see Eclipse IDE tools. So under this there are two options to download Eclipse. First one is using this button. This button will download an installer which will execute on your system and download all the required files. And second one is download the packages. So from the packages, I will show you how to select the required package and download it. So now you need to click on download packages. It will land you to a page where all the available editions of Eclipse are present or listed out. So out of these, the first one you can see is Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So this is nothing but a basic Eclipse version, a standard Eclipse version. It supports Java developer, including Java IDE, Git client, XML editor, Maven, and Gradle integration. But if you need some more advanced Java programming, including web development and RESTful API development, then you need to go for the second option, which is Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers. This specific edition supports more features than the first basic edition. If you see, the Eclipse not only supports Java but other technologies as well. If you scroll down, you can see Eclipse IDE for C, C++, Eclipse IDE for PHP developers. So other technologies are also supported in case of Eclipse. Now you need to click on Eclipse IDE for Enterprise Java and web developers, because in that case it will already include the basic edition plus the more functionality that we will be using in our other tutorials. So click on that. After that, under the download links, as highlighted this here, there is an option for your operating system. So if you are a Windows user, you need to click on the hyperlink which is mentioned right next to Windows, and based on your operating system, if Mac user or Linux, then the respective link you need to click. So once you click on the respective link, as I'm clicking for Window, as I'm a Windows user, it will land you to the download page itself. Now here you can see it has already selected one server from Korea. So there are multiple mirrors. If you want, this is the default setting that Eclipse has chosen for you. But if you want to change the mirror or the server location from where you want to download, these are the options. From select another mirror, you will be displayed this specific box, and from here you can select a specific server from where you want to download it. But I want to go ahead with the already selected mirror server. So then I will click on download. What it will do, it will download a zip file to your system. It may take some time because the file size may be around 500 MB or more. So it will take some time depending on your internet connection. As you can see, the file has been downloaded. Its size is around 520 MB. Now, if you are a Windows user, you can right click on the file and extract all. It will ask you for the location where you want to extract this specific zip file, and once you have decided where you want to install this Eclipse setup, you can browse that specific path and select that specific folder and click on extract. Once the extraction of the files is complete, you will be able to see this specific Eclipse folder inside that extracted folder. You need to go inside Eclipse and there will be a file eclipse.exe. Just need to double click on eclipse.exe. So then it will start opening the Eclipse IDE, and this is the latest version which we have downloaded from eclipse.org. In the next screen, it will ask you regarding the workspace, and there will be a path right in front of that specific value. This is the custom path which I have already defined. By default, Eclipse will create a workspace inside your documents folder. But if you want to change it, you can anytime click on browse and here itself go to any download section, and in the download section I want to create a new folder and call it as my workspace. Okay, once I have created this folder, I can click on select folder and you can see the workspace path has been changed to that newly created workspace, and then I can click on launch. It will load all the required Eclipse related libraries and open the IDE for you. Yeah, as you can see, Eclipse is ready now. I'm just maximizing it, and this is the welcome page for Eclipse. So in this you can see few basic links which are available to create a project or import a project. But what we will be doing, we will be using the file or menu options and we will create a new project for us. So for now you can close this welcome tab itself. Okay, now this is the empty screen where no project is open. So what we need to do, we just want to create a simple project. So in the project explorer itself there is an option to create a project. Otherwise from file also you can click on new and create a project. So if you click on create a project and select a basic Java project, then click on next, it will ask you the details about your project. So I can say my first project. So I will be using the execution environment JRE, whatever is selected by default, which is Java 17th version. I do not want to create module, so I will uncheck this create module. Click on next. No option to change here, and then just click on finish. And it may ask you to open the associative perspectives. Eclipse is having multiple perspectives that we will talk just in a minute now. So basic Java projects, they have a different perspective, and Java EE or web related projects, they have a different perspectives. So what I want to do, I will just click on open the perspective. It will create the project, and on the top right hand side here you can see it has selected this Java. But there is one more option. This is Java EE. This is the other perspective which I was talking about, which includes Java web development and Java EE application development. So that's all for this tutorial. We will talk about all other options which are available in Eclipse in our future tutorials. I hope you like the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also, please provide feedback in the form of comments so that I can improve my